Mapagpalang gabi po, Kap. Pero sige, yung punta, sila yung batang kita hanapin. Shot clock natin, 14 shoot. Abay, gaga po. That's good for 2 points. Nakuha ng pa ng dalawang guhit. Yung klase sa ilalim. And last 20 seconds. Shot clock, Mawasing. Imperial hahanapin. Ngunit Imperial nauwa. Kukulangin na sa bucket. Sabay batang ilalim. For the reverse. Ngunit meron ng pito. Lost in the ball with this number 15. Defensive band and two shot para sa pagbuhon. And his first personal ball is second team ball for Team Cagayanos. Football first shot, that's no. That's not connect para dito. For team number 4 Jays. And second shot, wala pa rin. May kagabi mukhang inaalan sa free throw lane. Itong Bourbon, last 7 minute 15. Puntal sa may bandang ilalim ng ilihan. May kagabi po, wala na akong play. That's good for 2 points. And ball position, ilipat nga lang for team ng Cagayanos. Last 2 minute 2 seconds, score po natin 31-39. Ito for team ng Cagayanos. Last 1 minute. And Cardaño napagbuksan sa malayuan. That's bang! 3 points. Walang yun na ito. Aamate. That's good for 2 points. And last 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Yung punta na magtiti mo. Nahanapin sa bibad ng gitna. Yung malaking mama. Pwede na Cagayanos. Shot clock natin. Pumapatak natin din. Yung ilihan nakita sa may bandang gilid. Front rainbow. No. Kumulangit Cardaño. Ngunit sa pagkagatabay kaga po. May nakita sila na pagsabit. And ball into si number 9. Illegal zoom in. 2 shot for Cardaño. Last 2 minutes and 24 seconds. 2 minuto 24 segundos po yung ating talaan for the second quarter. First shot, that's connect for Cardaño. And once again, that's good for 2 points. And last 2 minutes and 20. Imperial, hanapin yung bulbon sa may bandang gilid. Yung gabinete, nalibre sa malayuan. May ika nga po sa pagbukas ng kadhana. Ngunit wala pa rin. Sa may bandang ilalim, yung blase ng kana. Ngunit may ika nga po, pero lang napasabit doon. All over the si number 0. Close about the 2 shot for Plastic. Pabila natin si first Mr. Paul and third team ball. Last 2 minutes 7. Yung unang pagbirana nitong Blasis sa libreng linya. First shot, that's not correct. May nga po, maraming sala na nabitawan yung 4 Gs for the free throw lane. And last 2 minutes is 7 seconds. 33.4 po yung ating talaan dyan. Second shot, that's good for 1. Yung uling tapon na kinamana doon ay pasok po. Perfect ng Blasis. And for team na for JSD Pensa Pabila Brother mo in and out. Last 1 minute 53 seconds. And once again Dator Rangers number 9 iiwan sa Imperial Brother mo. That's bang! 3 points. Last 1 minute in 45 seconds. Cardaño gagante sa malayuan. Ngunit may nga po, hindi nga nagsasakayo ng gana. Imperial na magtangan-tangan ibibigay. And once again, yung Blasi, nakamuela na si Mosi. That's all. Pwede po taka. Pwede second attempt. That's good for 2 points. Last 1 minute in 18 seconds. Last 1 minute in 13. And once again, 15 o shot clock. Pabila, uulitin na naman. That's bang! 3 points. Last 1 minute. May ka nga po war na stop. Yung punpun nga na doon, ang gandang tirada doon. Kaso nga lang, hindi sasakayunan. Ngunit sa pagkataka ng miliyan sa kabilaan, mayroon ng napituhan. Forward Jason number 46. Itong Imperial. And once again, yung punta lang magtitimon, ibibigay sa malaking mama, pwede na Cagayanos, sa may bandang gilid, ilihan front rebound, kung wala ng rebound, natorpon rebound, Imperial, and once again, Imperial, atake, that's basket count. And forward jersey number 6. Anyways, sumadat, bonus shot for Imperial. Bonal, you have second personal foul and warning for penalty. 34 na lang po, inalalabi. Last 34 second, score po natin 42-47, Intibol team ng Cagayanos. Last 30 second remaining. Shot clock natin, bossing, papatak sa may bandang gilid yung Cardaño. Napalakas ka lang yung tapon sa may bandang gilid. And last 20 second, easy shot, that's good for 2 points by Bulbon. 18, last 15, last 12 seconds remaining, 10, that's a break, last 5, and that's good for 2 points by Bulbon. Escort po natin 46-47 in favor team ng Cagayanos. Isang buhin na lang po yung inabati ng Cagayanos. And once again, showing may Bonal now. May nga po yung pagtugat. Trinidad ngayon, hahanapin sa may bandang ilalim ng World Jersey number 15. Ika nga lang doon, bossing. 5 piso, yun ang pagkata for klase. And once again, aangat yung gabinete. That's good for 2 points. Parang good for 2 points. May gabinete, may nga po kitang-kita yung pag-angat for team ng 4 Jays. And Trinidad, susubukan ng depensa. Nito ang klase, uulitin, ibibigay sa Ilian for easy shot. That's good for 2 points. Easy shot for Ilian. And once again, Lassie, umikot pa. Ngunit, sa pag-agat, meron na agad pito doon. All jersey number 6. Nicholas Suman and Lassie with jersey number 12. Naman titimon, pipihit. Gagamitin yung katawan. Ngunit, meron namang sumamit doon. All jersey number 0. Nicholas Suman and 2 shot. That is second person for my word is number 0, and that's first team foul. Well shot by amazing Lassie, that's connected, that's good for 1. Second shot, that's good for 2 points. Ay kaya po yung atake nitong Lassie, that's good for 2 points para sa libreng linya. For team ng 4 Jays. Ay sige, yung Ilian na magtitimon for team ng Cagayanos. Ibibigay dito sa Bundan. Shot clock natin, 12 to 10. Papatak yung shot clock mo, sige. Papatak sa may bandang kita. Last 5, that's 2 points. Yung Ilian ginamit pa yung mga granong salamin. May kaga po sa pagtuhog ng dalawa. That's good for 2 points for team ng Cagayanos. Showing from Remo Country. That's bang! 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 3! By Gabinete. May kaya po nagpaparamdam na yung Gabinete sa malayuan kaagad yung Ilian that zone. And last 5 minutes and 23 seconds yung pananalagta ng 4 Jays tuloy-tuloy pa rin for the third quarter of this ball game. May ka lang magkakaintindihan doon. And once again, yung Lassie ngayon mag-itimon, iikot ang gawang pakuan. Tatanggapin itong World sila magpipili. Yung malaking mama, aatake noon. Ngunit meron na nga, napito sa pag-arangkada noon. And power this number 9. Push the ball. For the Remo Country now. Pipilitin for the 2 shot. That's good for 2 points. May kaya po, that's good for 2 points by Cardion. Yung malaking Cardion, tumuhog na naman. Aatakan kami na huli. Ngunit meron sa amin. Last comment in 26 seconds. Power jersey number 3. Nicholas Suman. Punta, hanapin yung Ilian. May kakapot rin na. Wireless combination. Ngunit yung Cardion nandun for the 2 points. That's good for 2 points. May kakapot wireless recovery para sa team ng Cagayanos. And Lassie again, aatake. Binitawan doon. That's the break. Hindi nga nasasakit yung Lassie sa pagkakataon yan. And here we go, Trinidad. Susubukan. Ngunit may ka nga, hindi ka na magkakaintindihan. Yung dalawa nga magka-teammate sa pagkakataon yun. May ka nga po, 4 na minuto at 12 segundos. Yung nalalabi. second. May nga po yung karta nyo ibibigay. Last ball o shot clock. Xiaomi Pronto Evo Katro may kamanyo. Next! Bang! 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 3 points! Imperial nga agad po team ng Porgisto. Blasting ngayon. Nakakala mo na sa kita. 2 points! And Bundal. Yung Bundal, hanapin yung karta nyo. Regis number 14 sa Trinidad. Adrena magtitimo sa may bandang ilalim. Hanapin yung kanya. That's good for 2 points. Paika nga po yung kampiyon. Umaatake naman Regis number 15. Yung malaking pabak. Regis ng Cagayanos. One more front way mo. That's bang! 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 3 points. Remitted. Trinidad na libre sa malayuan. That's bang! 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 3 points! Yung matuan sa malayo pagkakataon. Wait, kamay ka nga po sa pagkakataon yan. All-Regis number 3. English Subat and sided inbound. 59-63 po yan. Ang talaan yung klase sa may bandang ilalim nung. Kung malamin nga lang yung malasi sa pagkakataon yun. And Trinidad na magtitimo na hanapin Ilian. Yung Ilian gagamitin niya. Yung malagradong salamin, that's no. Ngunit sa may bandang ilalim nun. Ngunit meron ang sumamit na naman. All-Regis number 9. Dengan sebelah itong football intuition. Now this second personal ball. This second personal ball may pagtuon niya. And two shot per karta nyo. Regis number 14. May shot that's good. May ika nga po kanina pa umiinit yung karta nyo. Sa magkabila ang ring, last 2 minutes and 27 seconds. 2 minuto at 27 segundos. Last 2 minutes and 25. Score po natin 59-64. On the way, that's good for 2 points. Mabrasi! Last 2 minutes and 15. 61-64 na po yung ating kalaan. And there we go, sa may bandang gilid, hanapin yung ilihan. And then to shoot. Shot in front of him, no! Napakalakas ka lang yung tapong yun. And last 2 minutes to go! 2 points! Trinidad mo, karta nyo. Meron naman pito doon. Follower this number 9. Yung sumunod. Yung nalalabig. Showing may karta yung front rainbow. That's bang! 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 3 points! Tuloy-tuloy yung pananalasa ng karta nyo sa malayuan po team ng Cagayanos. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Gagawin na yung Imperial Gatso. Ardian po na rin po na may na po sa taktuhan. And once again, nalibre na ngayon. That's good for 2 points. Yung tuloy-tuloy na pananalasa ng team ng Cagayanos kontra sa team ng Portuguese. And once again, sa may pagtagilid. That's no. Hindi ka nasasagan ng pagkakataon yung nabilihin din doon. Ilihan Rangers, si Lucky number 1 using the glass door. For the putok, may kaya nga po, makukuha pa rin. Last 1 minute, 2 points. Mabrasi! And once again, last 50 seconds. Traveling violation. May ka nga po, napasayo na yung karta nyo doon. Apat na buwin po yung kinabati ng Cagayanos. Ngunit ang kasi mabawasan naman. Basket count! Basket count. Yung forward is yung number 15. Inigal sibat in 4 shot from Blasi. That is second personal ball. Forward is number 15 in warning for penalty situation. Your team, Cagayanos. Last 40 seconds remaining. That's good for 3 points. Pangan 16-69 po yung ating talaan. 30 seconds and 13 remaining on shot clock. Last 10 on shot clock. And once again, last 5. Ilian from the remove. No. Last 18 no on shot clock mga bossing. 15. That's good for 2 points. Last 10. Last 5! And that's it of third quarter of this ball game. And once again, score po natin dyan. 7. Score po natin 70-71 in favor team ng Cagayanos. And once again, for that situation, yung Blasing at nagtatrabaho. Kaya nga po, meron ng pito doon. And forward is number 6, Putol. Illegal suban, a 2-shot for Blasing. Now 6 minutes and 54 seconds. That is third personal foul by Putol and first team foul for Team Cagayanos. First shot, may nga Bossing, anong nangyari? Bossing, anong balita doon? And once again, last shot, ang uling pagpapol nitong amazing Blasing Rangers in number 12. That's good. Binawi yung kamalian doon. Deadlock 71 po yung ating talaan between Cagayanos kontra per team. 4 days. And once again, last 6 minutes in 40 seconds. Elian na magtitimo, last day no shot clock. Gawin ba yun yan? So, mahiga nga po sa may bandang gilid. Makakanako pa itong nator. Ibibigay sa football Rangers sa number 9. Ano kaya hanapin yung Imperial? And once again, and one combinator, no! Blase ang nakakuha doon. That's good for 2 points by Blase. Walang good for 2 points by Blase. Mahiga nga po yung amazing Blase. Tumuhog na naman ang dalawa. 34 James. Now 6 minutes and 7 seconds po yung ating binabaybay. And 14 was shot clock music. Pumapatak shot clock natin down to 10. One nice break. Ilalapit pa ng Budal. Police ito. That's not connect. Wala rin mo ng Blase. Ibibigay. And here we go. Kabinete po yung Imperial. Mabibitawan nga lang ni Bossing. Last 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Pagayon! And here we go. Defense up for your team. Borges, may gaga po. Tumatak po na. Itong din na Borges. Yung Blase Aragino. May bandang ilalim. Ngunit mayroon dito sa maling pagsakay. All oranges number 6. Liwasuban ay 2 shot. Budal. Warning for fall out. At 2 team foul. Budal warning for fall out. At 2 team foul. Last 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Last 5 minutes and 27 seconds remaining.
Wala pa tayo sab. Pag pumasok.
And substitution. And once again, last 5 minutes and 24 seconds. Already is number 46. Holding ball. That is second person for Imperial. And hindi na magtitipon. One nice drive. May nga po, kunti ka na po yung well shot na yun. And forward jersey number 9. Yung bunbon. Hindi ka sa bani 2 shot. That is third personal foul with the ball in there. Second team foul. Leon, that's good for 1. Last 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Second shot. That's good for 2 points. Last 5 minutes and 12. Last 5 minutes and 10. And here we go. Bonbon ang mga. May nga po, aatakin mo po. Mabibitawan nga lang. And once again, long pass. Ilian na may pagkakataon. Pull up jumper. That's a drag. Hindi nga nasasakinan doon. Itong Ilian sa pagkakataon yan. Aangat yung Bonbon. Using the glass. That's good for 2 points. Last team ng 4 James. Offense. Defense. Showing from the Rainbow Country. That's a correct rebound. Blase. Last 4 minutes and 29. On the way, Imperial. That's good for 2 points. Last 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Ang last nyo from Remo, inalat na. Amerika nga po, nawala na ng baterya. Yung karta nyo sa malayuan. Kabinete ngayon, inalapit na naman 2 points. And once again, sa may bandang ilalim, shot clock natin, pumapatak, count to 10. That's good for 2 points by Ilihan. Para easy shot for Ilihan, Amerika nga po from the free throw line. And for team, Amerika nga po, 5 guhit na po yung inaabante for team na nga. For Jays, Imperial ngayon maghahanap. Hanapin sa may bandang gilid. Yung kabinete, shot clock natin, pumapatak. Down to 10. And shot clock. Ulap niya po, that's good for 2 points. Heredero to Trinidad. That's in and out. Tabay nga po iniluwatan ng ring. Yung mga pirata for team na nga Cagayanos. Last 27. And that's good for 2 points by Bonbon. Heredero to Trinidad. Kokarta nyo ilalapit pa. Pero naman sabay nga po. Hindi nga nasasakay ito. Last 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Here we go. Blasi ahead. Wait na nga po, yung pabali-bali. Paul Mendes si number 1. Lalaki ng Ron Ilihan. 1 second. Imperial, ibibigay sa may bandang gitna. No! Wait na nga po, tinayuan na lang. Ito nga, Blasi. That's good for 2 points. And once again, Ilihan ngayon. Last 2 minutes and 25. Here we go, ilalapit pa. That's good for 2 points by Ilihan. Last minute in 15. In 54 seconds, mahaba-haba pa pong kwentuhan, mga boss ang ating babaybayin. And Paul is number 62. Holding Paul and sudden inbound. Imperial from Remo Country. That's all for the rebound. May nga po ang pagkuhan. Nabibitawan nga lang ng pabila doon. Labay-bay. I did not win yung abate ng team na po. Yes. Dadagdagan nga lang sa may bandang gilid. That's all for the rebound. Pabila makakuha sa pagkakataon yan. And once again, what a good steal. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Tator from Remo. That's bang! 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 15 seconds on shot clock. Gaganto yung Heredero. No! May nga po, product situation. Makukuha nitong Bonbon. Ibibigay dito sa Blasi. Last 1 minute and 5. Eksakto! Impunto, 1 minuto! And then on shot clock. Imperial. No! Last 50 seconds. Siyam na buwin po yung ginabati dyan. And Heredero. That's 2 points. Last 40 seconds. Para good steal. Cardaño. May ka nga po. From Remo. No. Last 30 seconds. Last 25. 20 seconds. Last 15. And 10. One. And congratulations, Team Fortis. And maraming salamat po team ng Cagayanos sa may nga po. Magandang laban yung pinigay po team ng Fortis.